Welcome to Dan the Cleaning Man channel, where we share tips, tricks, and strategies to help your cleaning business shine brighter than ever. Today, we're tackling an important topic: cleaning mistakes that could be costing you clients and how to avoid them. Running a successful cleaning business is about more than just elbow grease. It's about paying attention to the details and consistently delivering exceptional results. Stick around, because this could be the difference between losing a client and building lifelong loyalty. Let's dive in with mistake number 1: improper cleaning techniques. This is a major issue for many cleaning businesses, and it often starts with not fully understanding the surfaces you're working on. For example, using an abrasive scrub on a glass surface can leave unsightly scratches, or applying a harsh acidic cleaner to a polished stone countertop can cause permanent damage. It's not just about cleaning, it's about cleaning the right way. Here's how to avoid it. Make product knowledge a priority for your team. Train them to read product labels, understand pH levels, and recognize which products and tools work best on specific materials. For instance, microfiber cloths are perfect for streak-free cleaning on glass, while neutral pH cleaners are great for hardwood floors. And remember, it's not just about what to use, but also how to use it. Techniques like cleaning in a consistent pattern, like left to right or top to bottom, ensure that no spots are missed. Mistake number 2: neglecting the details. Ever walked into a room that looks clean at first glance, but has cobwebs in the corners or dust on high shelves? Clients notice these things, and they can quickly go from impressed to unimpressed. Neglecting small but important areas, like behind furniture, under desks, or along baseboards, can create the impression of carelessness. The fix? Create a checklist for every job. Include all the little spots that are easy to overlook, like light switches, door handles, and vents. Make it a habit to do a final walkthrough before calling the job done. This extra step can make a big difference in how your work is perceived. Mistake number 3: overusing cleaning products. This might sound counterintuitive. After all, if a little cleaning product works, more should work even better, right? Wrong. Using too much product can leave residue behind, making surfaces sticky or streaky. Worse, overuse can damage some surfaces over time, or even create a safety hazard, like slippery floors. The solution is simple. Follow the manufacturer's guidelines for dilution and application. A little usually goes a long way. If you're training a new team member, show them how to measure products accurately and emphasize why it's important. Mistake number 4: poor time management. Rushing through a job might save time in the moment, but it can lead to mistakes like missed spots or incomplete tasks. On the flip side, spending too much time on one area can throw off your entire schedule, making you late for other appointments. Neither scenario will impress your clients. The key here is balance. Train your team to work efficiently without cutting corners. Use time-tracking tools or apps to monitor job progress and adjust workflows as needed. Over time, you'll get a better understanding of how long specific tasks should take and can plan accordingly. Mistake number 5: ineffective communication with clients. You might be doing a great job cleaning, but if you're not communicating effectively with your clients, you could still lose them. For instance, failing to clarify expectations or neglecting to provide updates can leave clients feeling uncertain about your work. The fix is straightforward. Communicate regularly and clearly. Start by confirming the scope of work before each job. Ask if there are specific areas the client wants you to focus on. After completing the job, provide a brief update. This reassures clients that you're thorough and attentive. And if there's ever an issue, address it immediately with professionalism and a solution-oriented approach. Mistake number 6: using outdated or poorly maintained equipment. Imagine this: your vacuum cleaner isn't functioning properly, and instead of picking up dirt, it's blowing dust everywhere. Equipment failures like this can cause delays, subpar results, and client dissatisfaction. The solution? Maintain your tools regularly. Schedule routine inspections and cleanings for equipment like vacuums, steam cleaners, and floor buffers. Replace worn-out parts promptly. Upgrading to modern, efficient tools can also improve your results and save time in the long run. Mistake number 7: ignoring safety protocols. Skipping safety measures can lead to accidents or property damage, both of which can cost you clients and hurt your reputation. For instance, not using wet floor signs after mopping could lead to a slip and fall incident, Always prioritize safety. Train your team to follow proper procedures, such as wearing gloves and masks when handling chemicals, using signage to warn of wet floors, and storing equipment safely to avoid tripping hazards. Safety isn't just about protecting your team, it's about creating a worry-free experience for your clients. Mistake number 8, not keeping up with industry trends. The cleaning industry is always evolving, with new products, techniques, and standards emerging regularly. Falling behind can make your business seem outdated compared to competitors who are using the latest innovations. To stay ahead, invest time in continuous learning. Attend industry webinars, read trade publications, and participate in local cleaning business events. For example, adopting eco-friendly cleaning solutions or offering specialty services like sanitization can set you apart and appeal to a broader client base. Mistake number 9, failure to follow up with clients. Once the job is done, many cleaning businesses move on to the next one without checking back in with their clients. This is a missed opportunity to build loyalty and identify areas for improvement. A simple follow-up can make a huge difference. Send a thank you email or text after the job and ask for feedback. Not only does this show that you value their opinion, but it also gives you valuable insights into how you can improve. Mistake number 10, not standing by your work. Mistakes can happen, no one's perfect. But how you handle those mistakes can make or break your reputation. Ignoring client complaints or refusing to take responsibility for errors will only push clients away. Always stand by your work. If a client raises an issue, respond promptly, apologize if necessary, and offer a solution. Whether that's re-cleaning an area or offering a discount on their next service, showing accountability will go a long way in earning their trust. Running a cleaning business is no easy task, but by avoiding these common mistakes, you can deliver the kind of top-notch service that keeps clients coming back for more. It's all about attention to detail, clear communication, and a commitment to continuous improvement. Thanks for tuning in to Dan the Cleaning Man channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others in the cleaning industry who could benefit from these tips. Until next time, keep it clean and keep it professional.